You see, a man's true strength isn't just about lifting weights or having a firm handshake. It's about having the vitality, the energy, and the drive to seize every opportunity life offers. So here's the stark reality. If your erections aren't as firm as they used to be, if you feel constantly tired, or if you find yourself avoiding intimacy, not by choice, but because your body won't cooperate, then listen closely. This might not be an inevitable part of aging. It could be a shortage of 3 key vitamins your body is quietly begging for. Because let me tell you something that most doctors won't. Many older men do not lack desire. They lack blood flow, endurance, and hormone balance. And often, the solution isn't in a pill bottle. It's on your plate. Today, I'm going to show you exactly which 3 vitamins every man over 60 should be taking, and how they can help restore natural erections, boost testosterone, and bring your energy back to life. I will also reveal the most dangerous mistake men make when taking these vitamins, and how you can avoid it, starting tonight. Number 1. Vitamin D, the circulation spark plug. Now imagine a busy city street. When the traffic light turns green, cars smoothly move forward, each playing their part in the flow. But what if a key intersection had a malfunctioning signal? Cars would pile up, engines might overheat, and the whole system grinds to a halt. Well, that's what happens to your body when your vitamin D levels are low. You see, vitamin D doesn't just play a role in bone health, though many people think so. It's a conductor of sorts for your circulatory system, sending signals for your blood vessels to relax and allow blood to flow freely. Why it's critical. Over 40% of older adults are deficient in vitamin D. When your levels are low, your body produces less nitric oxide, a molecule essential for relaxing blood vessels and enabling strong erections. It's like a key that unlocks the doors for better circulation. This isn't just about sex. It's about stamina, mental clarity, and overall confidence. Having good blood flow means that your muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to work at their best. Your brain stays sharp and focused, and your body feels ready to tackle the day. How to fix it? Get 15-20 minutes of morning sunlight. Just remember, not too long as to burn your skin. Eat more fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines. They are packed with omega-3s and vitamin D. And if that's not enough, supplement with a high-quality vitamin D3 supplement. This is especially important during winter months or if you live in colder climates. Remember, correcting a deficiency is one of the simplest ways to reclaim your strength. But even with great blood flow, your body needs the fuel to sustain it. That's where our second vitamin comes in. Number 2, vitamin B12, the energy generator. Ever driven a car on empty, knowing the next gas station is miles away? You manage to get there, but the anxiety of the ride lingers. Why it's critical? As you age, your body's ability to absorb B12 from food declines. And guess what? It's a common issue, affecting a whopping 30% of older adults. This means that even if you're eating plenty of meat, eggs, or dairy, you might not be getting enough. It's like having a full tank of gas, but the engine doesn't turn on. You feel sluggish, your focus is off, and being intimate becomes the last thing on your mind. How to fix it? Increase B12 through quality supplementation. In some cases of severe deficiency, doctor-administered injections can work wonders by bypassing the digestive system and getting the nutrient directly into your bloodstream. But even with better circulation and increased energy, you need a protector, something to safeguard your blood vessels and reproductive organs from harm. And that's where our third vitamin comes in. Number 3, vitamin E, the testosterone and artery defender. Imagine a shield guarding a castle, protecting it from harm. That's what vitamin E does for your body. Vitamin E is like a bodyguard for your cells. fighting off harmful molecules called free radicals that can damage your blood vessels and reproductive organs. Why it's critical. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant, and antioxidants neutralize harmful molecules that cause cell damage. This is a silent threat we face daily. Free radicals are produced naturally in our bodies and accumulate over time, weakening blood flow and lowering testosterone levels. Additionally, vitamin E helps your body utilize testosterone more effectively. It's like having a coach that fine-tunes your body's processes, ensuring every drop of testosterone counts. How to fix it? You can find vitamin E in natural sources, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, olive oil, and leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard, and if needed, a high-quality, natural vitamin E supplement can help bridge any gaps. Now you're probably thinking, okay, great, I'll take these vitamins and everything will be better. Well, almost. There's a secret, a hidden force, that can either make these vitamins work like a charm or render them useless. Are you ready for it? Consistency. It's not about the quantity of vitamins you take, but rather the quality and consistency. Here's the deal. You wouldn't add salt to your food just once and expect your taste buds to be revolutionized. The same goes for vitamins. It's the consistent, daily intake that makes the difference. The big question you need to ask yourself is, am I really getting the best out of these vitamins? Are you sure the product you're taking is high quality? Is it providing the right kind of nutrition that your body needs? Or is it just another expense that isn't making a real difference? Are you confident that you're absorbing all the nutrients effectively? Or are some of them going to waste? Most over-the-counter vitamins use synthetic or cheap forms of these vitamins, which your body may not fully absorb or use effectively. It's like trying to fit a round peg in a square hole. Additionally, inconsistent habits make it tough for your body to establish a rhythm. Skipping doses or varying the timing can disrupt the delicate balance your body needs to absorb and utilize these vitamins properly. Now, I understand it can be confusing with so much information out there. That's why I've taken the guesswork out of this for you. Here's your simple daily routine. Start your day right. Take your B12 supplement with a protein-rich breakfast and a full glass of water. Then step outside for that 15-minute walk after breakfast. Soak up the morning sun. If the weather isn't cooperating, take your vitamin D3 supplement with your first meal, around lunch or as a midday snack. Incorporate vitamin E-rich foods into your diet. A handful of almonds or sunflower seeds, a drizzle of olive oil on your salad. These are all easy ways to boost your intake. Remember, it's not about extremes. It's about small, deliberate choices that add up to big changes. By following this routine, you're not just taking vitamins. You're investing in yourself, in your vitality, in your strength, and in your ability to embrace every part of your life with vigor. Finally, let me address the elephant in the room. Yes, there are supplements that promise to boost your energy and improve your bedroom performance. But here's the truth. They're often a quick fix, a shortcut that can lead to more problems down the road. Instead, focus on the fundamentals. Eat well, move regularly, and ensure your body gets the essential nutrients it craves. The real magic lies in the consistency of these small steps. Just as a sculptor chips away at a marble statue, revealing the masterpiece within, these vitamins and a balanced lifestyle will chip away at the obstacles that stand between you and your true strength. It's not about a single grand gesture. It's about the daily commitment to becoming the strongest, healthiest version of yourself. And believe me, it's within your reach.